Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demo of soil analysis project using deep learning or the convolutional neural network algorithm we are going to use in this particular project. So the need of this project is use of image processing techniques or the machine learning or deep learning techniques to analyze to find out which kind of soil we are having, and based on that what kind of crops can be taken in to that particular soil that can be predicted. Now that is the main purpose of this particular project. For that purpose we are using the convolutional neural network and of course the data set. So as far as the data set is concerned, we are having this kind of soil samples like black soil, desert soil, up to the red soil. So 4 to 5 number of different categories of soils we are having. And what the system will be, so here the farmer can simply upload the picture of this soil, or even he can capture this picture from the mobile phone's camera and then it can test, and then the system will tell ki which kind of soil is it, and what kind of crops can be taken in that particular soil. So as far as the backend part is concerned, it is designed in Python and Flask framework, and in the front end side we are using HTML and CSS. So once the project is running, you have to put here a localhost colon 5000, and then this kind of interface will open. So at this interface you'll have to upload the picture of soil. For example, if I pick this soil, then upload, then it will predict. Okay, this is the part of this image, it's not the prediction. The prediction is here, and the suitable crops you can display over here. So no doubt the suitable crops can be increased, or you can even change the crops also. Right now we are using some dummy crops over here. Let's check one more sample. For example, I will be choosing this soil, then upload, and then test. So here it's a black soil, and then the suitable crops can be different. So even the farmers can also click this photographs from the mobile phone. So if we run this software in the mobile phone, as it is hosted on the local server, so it can be executed from the mobile phone. And if it is executed on the mobile phone, then the farmer can actually click the photograph from the mobile phone's camera, and then that can be uploaded and that can be tested. So this will happen. So basically the objective of it, to detect the type of soil and to predict which kind of crop that can be taken into that soil. So this will help the farmers to increase their overall productivity, and then that can benefit the farmer financially also by choosing the proper crop suitable to their soil. So that's all about the implementation part of this project. In case you need the code and any other support regarding this particular project, then you can check the description box. Thank you.